Hey guys, Jeremy here from Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approves, and Rig Ready Used. Right behind me I have a 2026 Ram 2500 Bighorn. This one has the 6.7 in it, diesel. Let's come take a look around here. So in front here, this one is the night edition. So blacked out grille and blacked out accents. As we can see here, the heavy duty blacked out badge right here. And we can come take a look here. This one is, the Bighorns come with the premium cloth, so in the wintertime, you know, the leather can get quite chilly, so I personally like the cloth just because it's not as cold. This one does have, this one's a crew cab, so the standard cab size. Plenty of room back here for everyone, including myself. I am quite large and I do fit in these. As you can see here, boom. Enough headspace too, which never happens for me because I'm ginormous. Anyways, let's go to the back here. This one does come with fifth wheel prep, so if you have a trailer, you're looking to go camping, this one's perfect. Bedliner as well, which is crucial for hauling all your tools and stuff and whatever. It always gets scratched without bedliner, so bedliner is huge. This one is also the nice metallic gray. This one like ceramic gray, not metallic, sorry. Come take a look in the front here. This one comes with heated seats as well. And yeah, it's a pretty nice truck. So if you have any more questions, come give us a call here at 780-942-3629, or you can come visit us here in store in Redwater.